This is just a quick video about this case I made for the Kreg pocket hole jig. Kreg pocket hole jig is really great, but the small one doesn't come with a case, so that's why I designed this. The print turned out really well, but I noticed right away that these hinges were just a little too big, and the two halves wouldn't quite slide together. I just took a file and filed those down just a little bit, and it was such a small amount I didn't really bother changing that dimension in the 3D model. So you'll probably have to do that. I used a file. You could probably use an emery board or just some sandpaper. After that, for the hinge, I just used this piece of 1-inch rod. I got this at a hobby store. I used steel, but it doesn't have to be steel. I cut it a bit long and put it in a drill, and then just filed a notch into the end of it. And I used that as a reamer to just get a final dimension on the inside of the hinge barrels. This worked really well. Drill bit kind of would catch on the plastic and split it, whereas this, as you can see, it's just moderate pressure and kind of medium speed, and it just kind of scrapes out the inside of that hinge and gets it to the perfect dimension. With that done on both sides, it's just a matter of cutting that pin to length and sliding it in, and that's pretty much all that's required. I use a little pointy tool just to slide it in the last little bit there, and I cut the pin just a bit short so it wasn't sticking out. And as you can see, it closes well. I didn't design it with a clasp or anything, just relies on the friction of the hinges to hold it shut, and it worked really well. And as you can see, all the parts of the Kreg jig fit in there really well as the Allen key. And yeah, it's just a nice little package. All the corners are rounded for strength. And yeah, I've been using this for quite a while. I'd love to see any examples you guys make. Thanks.